Best free eSIM service for iPhone. If you're puzzled over choosing a service provider for your iPhone, consider exploring free eSIM services. Discovering the right eSIM service can transform your connectivity experience, offering a blend of network, speed, and services tailored to your needs. Welcome to the ultimate guide for finding the best free eSIM service for your iPhone. This video promises to simplify your search. eSIM technology is gaining traction, and with it, the demand for budget-friendly virtual SIM options is at an all-time high. Whether you're new to eSIMs or looking to test drive a carrier's offerings, this video has got you covered. Many wonder about the availability of free eSIM services for iPhones and the specifics of obtaining one. We're here to demystify that for you. I took upon myself the task of testing various eSIM providers with my iPhone 14, evaluating their performance, internet speeds, and customer support quality. After extensive testing, I pinpointed the provider that best meets my connectivity needs, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card. In this video, I'll walk you through my hands-on experiences with various free eSIM services for iPhones, aiming to assist you in making an informed decision. So, let's dive right in without further ado. Can I get free eSIM service for iPhone? Yes, and here's how. Several providers offer free eSIM trials, allowing you to gauge their services without spending a dime. Providers like T-Mobile, Verizon, and Google Fi offer enticing free eSIM trials packed with features ranging from unlimited data to comprehensive call and text options. Each provider's trial comes with its unique set of benefits, from T-Mobile's 3-month unlimited data trial to Verizon's 30-day all-inclusive offer. Google Fi steps up with a 7-day trial featuring unlimited data, calls, texts, hotspot tethering, and even a VPN for enhanced security. US Mobile and Mint Mobile also throw their hats in the ring, offering free eSIM trials that showcase their network capabilities and affordability. Visible and Cricket Wireless are not left behind, each offering free trials that provide a glimpse into their service quality and network reliability. It's important to note that these trials are temporary and subject to the provider's trial terms and conditions. Once the trial period concludes, continued eSIM use requires transitioning to a paid plan, as detailed on each provider's website. Activating your free eSIM service varies by provider and iPhone model, with some requiring app signups and others utilizing QR codes for eSIM profile downloads. The activation process is straightforward, generally involving scanning a QR code or entering an activation code followed by on-screen instructions. Understanding the activation steps for your specific iPhone model ensures a smooth setup of your free eSIM trial. Opting for a free eSIM service brings numerous benefits, from hassle-free carrier testing to avoiding the high costs associated with physical SIM cards, especially for frequent travelers. Additionally, we address the implications of switching iPhones on your free eSIM service and the security advantages of using an eSIM over traditional SIM cards. For more insights on leveraging free eSIM services for your iPhone, stay tuned to our channel and consider subscribing for updates on the latest in eSIM technology and provider offerings. Thanks for watching.